Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make website software. First, let's plan. Clearly define your website's purpose and who it's for. Think about the main features you need, like user accounts or a contact form. Research what others are doing and find your unique angle. A solid plan, including a timeline, sets the stage for success, saving you time and effort later on. Next, we focus on design, which is crucial for user experience. Start with wireframes, like a blueprint, to map out your site's structure. Then, create mock-ups to see how everything will look, from buttons to text. Design an intuitive flow so users can easily find what they need. Remember, a good design works well on all devices, from a large desktop screen to a small mobile phone. Now, it's time for development, where your vision becomes reality through code. Select the right programming languages and frameworks for your project. The front end handles everything users see and interact with, like forms and images. The back end manages server logic and stores data, ensuring everything works smoothly behind the scenes. You might also integrate third-party services, like payment gateways, to add more functionality. Finally, we reach the crucial stages of testing and deployment. Thoroughly test every part of your website to catch any bugs or issues. Have a small group of real users test it to ensure it meets their needs. Once everything is perfect, deploy your website to a reliable hosting environment. After launch, continuously monitor its performance and gather user feedback to make ongoing improvements and keep it running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.